You're invited to an open house in the Seven Hills community in Dallas, Georgia, Saturday, January 17th from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. This well-maintained home offers 5 bedrooms and 2,450 square feet, priced at $425,000. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances and opens to comfortable living spaces, including a family room with a fireplace. One bedroom located on the first floor, offering flexibility for family, guests, or a home office, with primary and 3 additional bedrooms on the second floor. Outside, enjoy a covered patio and a nice backyard, perfect for kids to play or for relaxing outdoors. Built in 2018 and located in a great community, this home is ready to be seen. Stop by and take a look. I'd love to see you there. This is Lori Walker with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Georgia Properties, serving Paulding and West Cobb in Georgia.